It is common for YouTube content creators to get a copyright claim on the sounds they use, especially if you're using music from Epidemic Sound. With this restriction, you may not be able to monetize your videos. Today, I'm going to share with you the steps to clear those copyright claims if you're using Epidemic Sound. Now, let's dive right into it. There are two ways to get it cleared. We'll start with option 1, that is done through Epidemic Sound. This video is under a personal free trial subscription plan. The steps might be different if you're on a commercial plan. Head over to Epidemic Sound, click on the top right burger menu, click on Account and under these tabs, select Safelist. Here, you can see, Safelist your channels. Now what you want to do is to add your YouTube channel into this Safelist. Note that under the personal plan, you can only add one YouTube channel. Go ahead and click on it, then start typing your YouTube channel name. Select your channel and click Add. The copyright claim should be cleared after 2 to 3 days. If you're still seeing the copyright claim restriction, option 2 is your other way to clear it. Head over to YouTube Studio, and select Content. You'll notice here that there's a copyright text. Go ahead and put your mouse over the text, you should see a pop-up, click See Details. It tells you which audio content was found to be copyrighted. Go ahead and click on the 3 dots at the end and dispute it. Select the checkbox, select License, check the Permission to Use box. Here's where you enter your reason for the dispute. You can follow what I'm typing in here. Once you're done, do ahead and check the 3 boxes, sign it with your name and submit. I've had this happen to several videos that I uploaded recently, and if this happened to you, I hope that this video has helped you get it cleared. If you liked my video, hit the like button and subscribe. If you don't have Epidemic Sound yet, go ahead and sign up from the link I've included in the description below to get 30 days free trial. I hope you have a great day and thank you for watching.